That's Mike from Custom Cruise. You can see here, great bit of kit. This is an Ultima Springer brake. This is a set of Palcos on our Rocker C that we've just converted. Beautiful looking bike. Now, you can see here, here's the brake line. Very cool, goes up to here. Okay, this is ABS. Now, this bracket we've actually made. The original Palco bracket basically doesn't have this Fender hanger on it, which this thing here is our mock-up for the Fender. Okay, normally the Palco bracket would just come off a gimbal or a rose joint, whatever you want to call it, to the back bolt here. So you just have a rod. But this particular one's pretty cool. What I think it is, it's basically the whole thing is done, you know, on this system, okay, which is very cool indeed. But if you're interested in any Ultima parts, give us a call. This is an Ultima Springer brake, like I say, on a set of Palcos. Give us a call, 01773835666, customcruisers.com, or the new site, customcruisers.eu. Thank you.